my channel. My name is Oghenekaro and today you're welcome to my kitchen. You're also welcome to episode 2 of Cook With Me. So if you haven't seen episode 1, go straight to the description box down below and check it out. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, please hit on that subscribe button down below and please subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below about what else you'd like to cook with me. So today I'm going to be making grilled fish vegetable sauce for you guys, and now let's run through our ingredients. So the most important thing we're going to be using is mackerel fish. Of course, we need our green leaf vegetable for a vegetable sauce, and I'm going to be using this hot pepper, and I'm also going to be using red onion. I also have potatoes because I'm going to be having my sauce with some grilled potatoes, and I have red palm oil. So I'm going to open up my fish and clean it up. Then I'm going to wash it, remove all the blood. I'm going to clean it up, wash it, and then I'm going to keep it aside. And now my fish is all cleaned up. I'm now going to prepare all the spice I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of seasoning, half teaspoon of black pepper, ginger, thyme, paprika, curry powder. I'm not going to be using salt because my seasoning already contains salt in it. I'm now going to add 1/8 cup of sunflower oil to it and then mix it up together. Now I'm going to open up my fish so it can be able to take in all the spices. Then I'm going to start rubbing in my spices into the fish. I'm going to rub it all over the fish till they're all coated in spices. Now I'm going to take out the oven grill and then preheat my oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While I wait for my oven, I'm going to start peeling, cutting and washing my potatoes. I'm going to wash them and cut them into potato wedges. Then I'm going to add a bit of my spices to it. I'm going to add oil. I'm also going to add salt to it and then shake it all together. Now I'm going to place both my fish and potatoes on the grill. Now I'm going to place it in the oven, reduce the heat to 200 degrees Celsius, and then I'm going to leave it to cook. While I wait, I'm going to wash my vegetables with salt and water, and then I'm going to start chopping it. Then I'm going to add my veggies into the pot, put water, put salt, and then leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. This has been in the oven for about an hour and now it's ready. I'm just going to open up the fish, remove the head, remove the bones, and then cut it into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to add half cup of palm oil to my pot, and then I'm going to add my onion and my pepper which I chopped earlier. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to add my remaining spices to it and then stir it also. Now I'm going to add my veggies to it, stir it and taste for seasoning, salt and all of that. I'm going to now add seasoning because the seasoning wasn't enough, so use according to your taste buds. Then I'm going to add crayfish and then stir it together. Now the sauce is ready, the taste is good. I'm going to place my fish on it and just gently stir it so that I don't scatter my fish. At this point, my sauce is ready. Very easy, very delicious. Now I'm going to serve it with my potatoes. That brings me to the end of this video, guys. I have my food here with me. my potatoes and the vegetable sauce. So you can have this sauce with rice, pasta. You can even eat it like that or have it with potatoes like me. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you try this food. Let me know your thoughts about it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.